Namaste all dear viewers. In this video I am explaining question and answers of the ability test of grade 7 mathematics. Ability test was taken to examine whether students have acquired ideas of the mathematics from grade 5, 6 including 7 or not. This is getting started with this number. First one, let's say here, what is the 3 in a power 3? So we read as a power 3, so obviously it is what? Power. So it's power, right? 3 is the power in a cube. And in number 2, if x equal to 1, what is the value of x square minus 3x plus 2? Is it? So you should check. Is it? You keep 1 in place of x, so 1 square minus 3 into 1 and plus 2. So 1 square 1, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2. Then where do you first 1 and 2 get added? So 1 and 2 you add, you get the 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So 0 is the answer for this. So option is this one. And then let's go with 3 number. Is it? What is the degree of expression x square plus xy square plus x square y square? Hence find the degree of the expression. Is it same? What is the degree of expression is asked over here. So first you have to find the degree of each term. X square has degree 2, xy square has degree 1 plus 2, that is 3, and x square y square, it has degree 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So thing is what? To identify the degree of the term, how many variables are there? So for all the variables consisted in the term, their powers we have to add, right? And how much will be the degree? That will be the degree of the term. And after identifying degree of all the terms consisted in the expression or consisted in the algebraic expression, we have to mark their highest degree, and that will be the degree of the expression. So here highest we see for the term x square y square, which has 4 degree. So this expression, degree of this expression is 4. So B is the correct answer. Now we go with number 4. So it said here, what is the expansion of a plus b whole square? So few expansions are given, is it? Few options are given, and among them what is that we have to check. And for that we should go through this way. A plus b whole square is product of a plus b with a plus b, is it? And we open it as a into a plus b into a plus b. Then we get this a square plus ab plus ab plus b square, is it? So a square plus 2ab, ab and ab added, so 2ab we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So its correct option is here, D. Now in number 5, if a is 3x, we're given if a is 3x and b is minus 5x, what is the value of a plus b is said, is it? So a plus b, that equal to here, a we are given here 3x and b we are given here minus 5x. So 3x minus 5x, so it's to get subtracted. So let's subtract it. We get that 2x, and be very careful, 5x is greater and its sign is minus, so minus we have to keep. So here a plus b is minus 2x, so its correct answer is C, right? And now we'll go for number 6. So what's said here, if 3x plus 4 is 14, so what is the value of x? So here we are given 3x plus 4 equal to 16, is it? And through that we have to find the value of x. So let's send 4 to the another side first. So you get the 3x equal to 12, is it? And 3 is getting multiplied with x, so 3 we have to bring down for dividing. So x equal to 12 by 3, so that will give you x equal to 4. So your value of x is 4. So option is A. So it's done with algebra. Now I go with the another topic. Okay, where is this? Okay. Now after algebra we're going for the no, so 2 questions still remaining from the algebra. Let's make it finish first. sorry. So here asks what is the in number 7, what is the value of 8 power 2 by 3, is it? So to identify 8 power 2 by 3, so you need to understand 8 is cube of 2, is it? 8 you break, you can get the 2 into 2 into 2, and that's 2 cube, is it? And now there is power of the power, so those powers should get multiplied. So 2 power 3 into 2 by 3 you get, and here 3 will get cancelled in numerator and denominator, so 2 power 2, and it's 2 into 2, that is why it's 4. So its option is 4. So 7 number is done. Now 8 number. So in number 8, what is the quotient for dividing x cube plus 2x square minus 6x by x? So what you have to do here, by x you have to divide this, is it? So let's go direct, let's do it directly. Okay? So here x cube plus 2x square minus 6x, this expression you have to divide by the monomial x, and for this you have to separate the base first, is it? So x cube divided by x plus 2x square by x and minus 6x divided by x. So when you do x cube by x, you get there x square, and 2 into x square by x, x square is x into x, so 1x will cancel, so 1x remains, and minus here x cancels, so 6. So it's x square plus 2x minus 6, and that's given in option A. So that sorry. So we are done with the algebra, right, for the set A. Now I go with the arithmetic portion of the set. So let's pick here questions from 9 to 13 first. Okay, so say here is the same. Which are the prime factors of 24? Right, 9 number. So when you break 24, which prime factors we can have? We have to give the options for here. So let's make here prime factorization of 24. So first, it can be divided by 2 because it's even number. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and it's still even number 12, is it? Again, it goes divided by 2, 2 6 12. Still even number, 2 threes are 6. So here you see only two prime factors. One is 2, is it? And another is 3, is it? So prime factors of 24 are 2 and 3. So option is A. Now let's go with 10 number. What are the factors of 45? Is it? So to check this, we have to divide 45, is it, as a prime factorization. So first it goes by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, is it? And then 3 fives are 15 again, is it? And now done, is it? Now when you do breaking of 45, it becomes a 3 into 3 into 5, is it? So through this, which factors you can get? Let's see. The very first factor is 1, is it? 45 is divisible by 1, so first factor is 1. After 1, 45 is divisible by 3, is it? Or you may so this way, 45 is 1 into 45, first factor is 1. 45 is 3 into 15, is it? Another factor is 3. And 45 is 5 into 9, is it? Another factor is 5, is it? And after that, let's check it back, is it? So first 3 factors are here, 1, 3 and 5, like, and then another factors are here, 9, 15 and 45. So another pair of factors are 9, 15 and 45 itself. So factors we got here 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and the 45, and in this question one here missing, you see 9 is missing, so though you can say option is D, 9 is missing there. Now I'll go with 11. So by which the smallest number 12 should be divided, sorry, 12 should be multiplied, B here, right? By which the smallest number 12 should be multiplied to make it perfect square, is it? So here let's break it 12, is it? So 2 6 is 12 and 2 3 is 12, and now let's see 12 has the factors of 2 into 2 into 3. And now which pair it doesn't have, is it? So by that prime number, if you multiply, then it will become perfect square. So here 2 has pair, is it? But 3 don't, is it? 3 doesn't have. So by 3, if this number will get multiplied, then it will become a perfect square. So 3 is the option to get multiplied with 12 to make it perfect square. So here is 3 in number C. Now we go with number 12. So what is the LCM of 12 and 8? It is said, is it? So we have to make a LCM of 12 and 8. So let's keep these two together, and these both are even numbers, so these are divisible by 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. Again it's divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So it's done, is it? So LCM is here product of these factors, prime factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So it's here 4 3 is 12 into 2, 24, is it? So here LCM of 12 and 8 is 24. So done. Now we go with number 13. So it said here, what is the cube root of 64? We are asked to find the cube root of 64, and for this also same thing we have to do. We have to break it down here, 64. So this side is okay. Let's break this 64. So first it goes by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 32 is 64. Then 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s 8, and 2 2s are 4. Is it? So we have to find a cube root. So pair of 3 same factors we have to identify. Is it? So let's keep here in the straight line as the product of the prime factors was how many times you see? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Is it? So 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now we first see here product of 3 same factors, and next we see product of same factors, is it? So here cube root. So cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is here. First pair of first factor of 3 same factors, that is 2, and again for the second circle factor for the first 3 same factors, that is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So you can say here cube root of 64 is 4. So option A is the answer for this number. So, okay, up to 13 I made from this arithmetic. Now let's go on word again. Okay, so in arithmetic now remaining numbers are 14 to 17. I copy here first. Okay, let's see what we have. Sorry. Okay, so first I go with number 14. Right, so in this 14 number was said here, what is the sum of 3 and 3 by 5? Is it? So 3 plus 3 by 5. Many of you tend to mistake this. You randomly add 3 and 3, you write 6 by 5 and so on. Right, so what you have to do here is we have to form your denominator same first. So you see here 5 is denominator, so here in first whole number 3, there also you can bring 5 in denominator by multiplying and dividing by 5. And once we do that, we are almost done. So 3 5s are 15, and by 5 is there, plus 3 by 5 is there, and now we get the same denominator. Only then we can add the numerators. So 15 plus 3, and we keep the same denominator for a single time, so it gets the 18 divided by 5. So 18 by 5 you see here, C. Okay, 14 is done. Now we go with number 15. So question is, within which two whole numbers 3 by 5 lie? So the thing is, what within which two whole numbers this mixed fraction lie, we have to identify. So 2 whole number 3 by 5, obviously it comes after 2, and after 2 next whole number which come, it is 3, is it? So it's obvious what this number, this rational number lying between 2 and 3. So option is D. And in number 16, which is what is the fraction of decimal 2.4? So 2.4 we are given, so let's remove the point first. And for removing point, what we have to consider here is how many digits are there after decimal, right? So here 0.4, it means what? After decimal, single digit here. So if single digit is there, then single zero you have to keep, and you have to keep front one, so it is 10, is it? So to remove decimal here, we have to do 24 divided by 10, and now you have to cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10 below. Sorry. So it's here 12 divided by 5, so its option is B. And after that we go with 17 number. So it's question, what is the ratio of 30 minutes and 4 hours? So units are different, is it? We're asked to find the ratio of 30 minutes and 4 hours, is it? So here we see units are not same, so we have to first convert both values in the same unit, either into minute or into the hour. So better, it will be easy to convert hour into the minutes, is it? So let's see here, 4 hours converting into minute. So we already know that 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, so 4 will be 4 into 60 minutes, so it's 240 minutes. And after finding 4 hours also into convert it into the minute, now I can find ratio. Then the ratio is 30 minutes divided by 240 minutes. So by 10 first you cancel 3 times and 24 times, and by 3 you cancel 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So the ratio is 1:8. So that is number C. Okay, of the 17 number done. Now let's go with another number. Okay, after 17, now two numbers are there in arithmetic still, 18 and 19. Okay, so let's say here in 18, let's see how much is the 5% of 80. Very easy question, is it? 5% of 80 rupees. So 5% is 5 by 100 and into 80. Now 5 and 100 you can cut, 5 1s are 5 and 5 20s are 100, and 80 you can cancel by 20 for 4 times. So answer is 4. Done, is it? So 5% of 80 is rupees 4. 919. So it said here, a seller sold the radio for 5,000 at a loss of 40 rupees. So how much is the cost price of the radio? So they're given selling price equal to rupees 5,000 and it's sold at loss of rupees 40, is it? And we are asked to find here what price of the value of the cost price. So let's use the formula of loss, and loss is the thing when cost price is higher or selling price is lesser, is it? So from higher we have to subtract lesser one, so CP higher, so from CP we have to subtract lesser SP, is it? This is the formula which will link loss, CP and SP, and after by keeping that we can easily find value of CP. So loss we have provided here 40 rupees, let's keep it. CP we have to find, and SP we are given here 5,000, is it? So now this 5,000 let's bring into the left side to add with 40 rupees, is it? And plus 5,000 we write and equal to CP. So therefore CP is 5,040. So in 5,040 we mark. So done, is it? So it's done with the arithmetic portion. Now I go with the algebra portion of this. So let's make it clear first. Okay, now I mean to say geometry portion, right? So we're going with the geometry portion of this. So I'm taking question numbers from 20 to 22, from 20 to 22. Okay, here. So in the first question of 20, what we are asked here, an equilateral triangle shaped line has perimeter of 15 meter. So what is the length of its side? So if triangle is in the shape of equilateral triangle, is it, all of three sides are equal, so its perimeter will be sum of all three sides, is it? You may say the side as a for the length of its one side, so a plus a plus a you get, is it? So here the thing is what? Perimeter of triangle, perimeter of equilateral triangle. So that you say here 3a, right? It's a plus a plus a, and it's given 15 meter, so 15 equal to 3a, so a will become here 15 divided by 3, 3 getting multiplied of multiplied with a, so it will come down for dividing, so we get here value of a equal to 5 meter. So it's here in number C. Now let's go with 21. What's it here? Which is the vertical opposite angle of angle A, is it? So vertical opposite angle means the angle which are formed while two straight lines intersect at one point, right? And here that's happening with y, is it? Y and a, these are the vertical opposite angles, so option is C. Now let's go with number 22. So let's say here, see what is the 3 points name of angle which is marked in the diagram, is it? So here angle is marked for this one, is it? And its angle point is O, so O you have to keep in the middle, and by side there is A and C in this angle, so those points we have to keep side by side. So this angle is angle AOC, so at B you have to mark, right? Now up to 22 number is done. Now go to remaining numbers. Okay, up to 22. Now let's go with 23. Okay, so what's said here in 23 is, let's see. Okay, what is value of x, is it? And here given right angle triangle, and this right angle triangle is split into the two angles which are marked with x for each, is it? So the thing is what? X plus x equal to 90 degree, right? So here we get 2x equal to 90 degree, then x will be obtained by dividing 90 by 2, so that is 45 degree. So value of x is over here 45 degrees, so option is D. And after that, now next two numbers of this, so I go with this 45, 24 and 25. Okay, so let's go with 24 number first. What's said here? I make a use of this. Okay, so what is the formula for finding total surface area of the cuboid? Okay, so total surface area of cuboid to find, I will make few discussion how we find this formula or how we develop this formula. Right? Okay, so I have made here one cuboid, is it? So this length and shorter one we say breadth, and the vertical one we say height, is it? So let's go with the area on the floor, all right? And this is very same as top also, is it? So this also L and this also B, is it? So its area is L into B, is it? So where is the top, or where is the ceiling? Or for the ceiling, its area is L into B, and it happens same for the ground, or it happens same for the floor, is it? So floor also will have the same area, L into B. So this floor will have the same area, L into B, is it? So LB we do have for 2 times. So when you find total surface, I'm using abbreviation TSA for total surface area, is it? So here we find LB area for the floor and L into B area for the ceiling. So those two areas we first get added, and after finding area of ceiling and floor, now we go for finding area of the walls, is it? So let's think about the walls towards the length side first. So I make the series. Okay, so now I'm talking of the wall which is from the length side, right? So this is the wall, right? So this wall is across the length, is it? Or along the length. So to find its area, it's 2 dimensions we have to multiply, right? So one dimension is length and another dimension is height, is it? So L into H we have to say to find the or to do to find the area of the wall along the length, is it? And the same wall is opposite over there, is it? The same wall is opposite here, is it? So area of that wall also will become L into H. So another two walls we get added through the side of the length. And after finding the area of wall through the side of length, let's go for the finding area of the wall along the breadth. So this is the wall which is along the breadth, right? So to find its area, it's two dimensions we have to multiply, or it's two adjacent sides we have to multiply, and they are breadth and height, right? So when we are talking about the wall along the breadth, its two sides are breadth and height. So those two sides we have to multiply to get the area of wall along the breadth, is it? And the same area we see here on opposite of that wall here, is it? So that wall also will have the same area b into h. So here we get b into h plus b into h, two walls along the bed, that also we get added. So total of these six faces we have added. LB and LB added 2 LB we get, LH and LH added 2 LH we get, and BH and BH added we get 2 BH. And here what has happened, in all three values here 2 is common, so LB plus LH plus BH we get, and this is the total surface area of the cuboid. So it's done. Now I go with number 25. So the thing is, what if radius is the r is the radius of the circle given below, what is the circumference? All right, so circumference is 2 pi r. So how it is formed, I make a bit of a discussion over here for that, is it? So it came through the value of pi, is it? So pi is the ratio of the circumference and diameter, right? Then we can write what? Circumference divided by diameter is double of the radius, so 2r we write, and we get cross multiplied. So pi into 2r equal to circumference, therefore circumference is 2 pi r. So this way we get circumference equal to 2 pi r. So it's done with set A for the ability test question answers of these class 7 mathematics. Thank you for watching, and next set B I'll be doing in next video. Please be watching. Thank you for watching, everyone.